Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into a pretty wild idea, a future that isn't just helped by AI, but one that could be fundamentally designed by it. Imagine an AI planning our cities, solving our biggest challenges, and basically reshaping human life as we know it. But that brings up a huge question, one we're going to explore. Would we still be in control of our own destiny?
And to kick things off, this quote from global policy scholar Naif Al-Rodan just hits so hard. It really sets the stage, We are standing at this incredible crossroads, where we could literally engineer ourselves out of the top spot. The choices we're making right now, well, they're going to decide everything.
So let's just imagine for a second, an AI that's so advanced it's not just a tool anymore. It's the architect of our entire civilization. A system that could look at all the data, traffic, resources, public health, you name it, and design a perfectly efficient world for us to live in. Sounds great, right? But who gets to decide what perfect actually looks like?
Now, look, the promise here, it's just staggering. We're talking about superintelligent systems that could, in theory, solve the problems that have plagued humanity for centuries. This isn't just a small step forward. It would be a leap in progress that could make everything that's come before look like child's play.
So how does a future like this even begin? Well, it's not some big switch that gets flipped. It's actually starting small, in a place we all know pretty well. The workplace. This is kind of the testing ground, where the blueprint for an AI-managed world is being drawn up right now. Okay, so what's really fascinating here is this shift away from human bosses to what we call algorithmic management. On the one hand, you have the classic model, right? A person giving you feedback, mentoring you. But on the other hand, you have decisions about your schedule, your tasks, even your performance reviews, all being handed over to an algorithm. The control literally shifts from a person to a program.
And this isn't just some theory. It has real effects on people. Think about a delivery driver whose every turn is dictated by an app, or someone in a warehouse whose efficiency is tracked to the second by a system they have no say in. When an algorithm is your manager, your own sense of control can just shrink, and you miss out on that crucial human feedback. It's a small-scale peek at what happens when human agency gets optimized away.
And that's the whole ballgame right there. It's all about finding that balance. How do we get all the amazing efficiency that AI offers without completely bulldozing the human element? Our need to feel like we have some say, to be treated fairly, and to understand the systems that are running our lives.
But let's get practical. How do we get from an algorithm that manages work schedules to one that can design a whole society? It's not magic. It's all about having the right tools. So let's pop the hood and look at the actual tech that could make an architect AI a reality. And this right here is a really cool way of looking at it. It's a new way of classifying AI, not by its technical guts, but by